Greetings. I will be reading from a book of philosophical writings, Sounds from Silence, Musings, written and read by Ifeoma Idigbe. I will start these readings with the author's note. The inspiration for Sounds from Silence, Musings comes from my observations and musings on life and its simple complexity. Importantly, writing this book has proved to be an incredible heuristic for self-discovery and self-healing. Nothing happens without a reason. There is no mistake, no coincidence, only serendipity. So what do events and activities, people who cross our paths signify? What does it all mean? What is the purpose, the greater design of it all? How does it all coalesce? There is a purpose to all things. It does not require our understanding, only our acceptance. Let each circumstance serve its purpose. God is present. When we pause in silence, we are given glimpses of something profound, a deeper substance. Where do thoughts come from? Unbidden from silence, flashes of thought and insights are received from the universe, from the divine. They come to life, transmuted and translated from out of the silence into words, into sound. And so from within this universal silence come the musings on these pages. Sounds from silence. For silence has its own sound, its own hum and rhythm and echoes. The reflections crystallized in these articles somewhat validate life's meaning. Beyond the obvious, beyond the relentless marching of our days, our lives have meaning. Our being here matters. Our different contexts intersect and give texture to our days in this realm called Earth, this place of passage, our transit and preparation for the eternal, that world of our dreams and visions, the world we call heaven. Some of my musings reflect different sides of the same issue, unintentionally but inevitably so. There are also cultural nuances, but that is also inevitable. In many ways, culture is universal. Pause a moment, listen. Can you hear sounds in the silence? I hope my words echo. Teach me, Lord, to hear my heart's calling. Give me grace to do my heart's bidding. Touch me, Lord, to receive my heart's healing. Bless me, Lord, to feel my heart's peace. Ifeoma, Idigbe.
Have I told you there's no one else above you? Fill my heart with gladness, take away all my sadness, ease my troubles.